أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
قل أرأيتم إن أخذ الله سمعكم وأبصاركم وختم على قلوبكم من إله غير الله يأتيكم به انظر كيف نصرف الآيات ثم هم يصدفون.
Say, have you considered, if Allah took away your hearing and your sight, and set a seal on your hearts, what God other than Allah would restore them to you? Note how we explain the revelations in various ways, yet they still turn away.
قل أرأيتكم إن أتاكم عذاب الله بغتة أو جهرة هل يهلك إلا القوم الظالمون.
Say, have you considered, if Allah's punishment descended on you suddenly or gradually, would any be destroyed except the wrongdoing people?
وما نرسل المرسلين إلا مبشرين ومنذرين فمن آمن وأصلح فلا خوف عليهم ولا هم يحزنون.
We sent the messengers only as bearers of good news and as warners. Those who believe and reform have nothing to fear, nor shall they grieve.
والذين كذبوا بآياتنا يمسهم العذاب بما كانوا يفسقون.
But as for those who reject our revelations, torment will afflict them because of their defiance.